You know, guys, I love being around people. Games, events, even this podcast. It fills me up in so many ways. But afterwards, I always need a little time to recharge my social battery. That moment when I get home, change into my comfy clothes, and take a sip of Immuni Plus, that's when I feel truly refreshed.
Ano ba? Kasi totoo, mayabang naman ako. Kanya kaya tayo yabang.
Oo. Totoo naman. I mean, like, may kanya-kanyang types.
Siguro na masungit ako.
Welcome to the Transition Playbook with Eliza Valdez. Today's guest is someone very, very close to my heart. My former Ateneo and current Creamline teammate, Bea De Leon. She shares how she navigated recovery, made the big decision to switch teams, and face her greatest heartbreak. Plus, we'll find out what's next for Bea. Tara, simulan na natin. How are you, Bea? Ano yung mga nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayon? Mga bagay-bagay, most especially now na syempre you've been doing therapy, balancing therapy, volleyball, and life. So ano yung mga simple things na nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayon?
Ngayon, wala. Wala masyado.
Ay, grabe.
Depressed
Bea! Bea, wait lang. Baka counseling yung mangyari.
What a good start.
I know, di ba? Parang start pa lang. Bea, mamaya pa yung mga nakakaiyak.
Actually, hindi naman. Nag-enjoy ako at least ngayon. I have a bit of time to spend with my family. So, from like once or twice a week, I play golf with my dad. At least yun, kahit papano, di ba? It takes my mind off of it. But I'm still somewhat in a competitive setting.
Making yourself busy. Pero alam mo, I just wanna share. Recently kasi, siguro since syempre naging teammates kami, mas alam mo yung how are you na question, mag-last siya for an hour.
Yeah, that
Like,
happens.
Before kasi kahit tong college, hindi kami masyadong like, pag nagkakamustahan, it's really kamusta, okay lang. As in, di ba, the typical answer. Ngayon, pag nagkamusta, very deep in a sense na kaya namin maging vulnerable sa isa't isa. Just because I think we went through different vulnerable in a way na kunwari we're trying to overcome injuries together and other stuff together. Honestly, naisip mo ba na like certain ka na magpo-pro volleyball ka? Kasi eto, hindi naman sa pag...
Go ahead, say it.
No, hindi. I think most people know naman about yung background ni Bea na siguro siya yung isa sa mga financially stable sa team namin, and may mga businesses also with the family. So,
Say hashtag blessed.
Blessed, yes. We're all blessed. But after college, naisip mo talaga na magtuloy pa sa...
No.
Exactly my point, di ba?
Hindi, kasi even for you naman eh. When you entered college, did you think you were gonna play pro? Galit.
Tinatanong ko siya kasi nung gumraduate siya, may pro na. Nung gumraduate kami, pasimula pa lang, babe.
No. What I'm saying nga rin is...
Para mag-aaway kami dito.
True. Hindi kami nag-aaway, promise.
Yeah.
Pero coming into college kasi, di ba, parang we all thought na ito na yun. Sasagad ka na dito.
Yeah.
That was it. Pero yun, nung pag-enter talaga, hindi talaga. Kasi halos wala namang options nun eh.
Yeah.
Pero later on nga, nung nagkaroon na ng commercially pang ang tawag natin na, diba? So, nung nagkaroon na ng ganon, I thought na maglalaro lang ako for a while. Like, siguro 2 to 3 years.
Wow.
That's what I wanted initially. Here
Really?
Double.
More than?
Yeah, more than. I graduated at 2019. I mean, from volleyball
Oo.
So, ano na ngayon, 2020? 6 years na.
Wow.
So, yun, hindi ko talaga akalain.
If ever hindi ka nag-volleyball, ano yung sa tingin mo ginagawa mo ngayon?
My plan. My plan
Wow,
was...
may plano ka talaga. Okay.
You know me. I plan
Yeah.
these things.
Like, when did you plan all these things?
In college.
Like, in college lang or back in high school, nagpaplano ka na?
No, maybe not high school. College. I had a
Okay.
plan. Wow.
What?
So,
I
I
love
was
it.
gonna finish my 5th year, play a little bit. Mag-ipon ako. And then after that, I was gonna finish my masters. Once I finished my masters, maybe play 1 more year.
Mm-mm.
And then go corporate for 2 to 3 years lang talaga. To have a feel of, the corporate world.
Yeah.
And meet new people, connections, have a feel of the discipline. Because it's hard rin naman, di ba, na
Go
mag-transition
straight,
ka
yeah.
kagad. And after that, figure it out na. Magdinegosyo na ako. That was the plan. Clearly, it did not take off.
You know, I remember Bea's telling me na mga 2 years lang siya magpo-pro. And
yeah.
kailangan niya lang magka-championship
Mag-isa.
before siya umalis. As in, sabi niya
lang.
talaga, Ate Lai, isa lang. And that year was the year na nag-finals yung Creamline and Choco Mucho. And Bea was part of the Choco Mucho team.
Yeah.
And she
No,
was
I
like,
was hoping to have for both Choco and Creamline. Sabi niya, not on my watch.
sabi niya talaga, Ate Lai,
Yeah,
isa
siya
lang.
pa yung championship point nun, and she really said no, babe.
Hindi. What happened was, kasi kahit hindi kami magka-teammate kasi ni Bea nung nag-pro na siya, we get to
We catch
hang
up
out
from
for
time to
niya.
time.
We play golf and do other things. Sinasamahan ko lang siya, guys. Tapos, lagi siya nakikipagkwentuhan na parang lagi siya nagtatanong na anong mga plans mo, Ate Lai, and sa tingin mo ba, magtutuloy pa ako, ganyan. Hindi ko alam. Tapos parang sabi niya, basta Ate Lai, yung wish lang daw niya, magkaroon siya ng isang championship sa pro. Pero yun, Bae, was it actually hard to switch teams?
Oh yeah, of course.
Kasi, di ba, kahit pa paano naman, meron ka pa rin kakilala sa Creamline when you were like transitioning and switching. Pero ano yung naging mahirap and ano yung natulong ng mga familiar faces nun?
It was hard, ha. When so
Bakit?
Hindi, kasi I don't know if a lot of people know, pero kasi the plans were set even
Prior
to the finals.
Yeah.
Prior to all of that. So even during the finals, I knew I was transferring.
Yeah.
Ooh. Revelations.
Revelation.
And then, nung nag-finals, syempre sabi ko rin na, part of me pa rin naman, syempre, doon ako nagsimula. With Sir Jonathan giving us the task for Choco Mucho.
Yeah.
It was still hard to making that decision of moving to Creamline.
Yeah.
Because, it feels like a part of me, I may have succeeded here,
Yeah.
but that part of me did not. Diba? So, it was still hard to accept it. So, nung nag-finals kami, I had half a mind of choosing to stay.
Kasi that was
Kasi
your
syempre
first,
nag-finals.
that was your first finals, ba?
So, syempre, there was a lot of hope. Even if we lost, diba?
Yeah.
At least we were finally there.
Yes.
CC just got there. We were just starting. Coach Dante just started also.
Yeah.
So there was, again, a lot of hope. But, yun nga, ultimately, I chose myself. Itigil na to. I think personally nga talaga, that's a very personal decision. If I were to think of my teammates, the team, obviously, anyone would have stayed if you think of all of those things, right? But I wanted to see something out of myself that I knew I wasn't gonna get in Choco. Not for anything, but because I've accepted what I am. I'm not the player that will thrive anywhere. Pero in a way na parang I needed a system to thrive in. And it wasn't Coach Dantes. Nothing personal talaga ha. Talagang some people just won't fit, diba?
Yeah.
Some things will fit you, some things really won't.
Yeah.
So yun, I really felt na hindi siya para sa akin. So, yun, I really made the move, went to Creamline, and it was obviously really hard. I had to miss the first day pa of training, so I was so scared. No,
Really?
yeah, I went. My mom asked me, begged me, and said, please take this one vacation with us na.
Tama. Yeah, I remember.
Before you move to Creamline, you're gonna be busy again. It's like, okay. So I missed the first day of training. And I went on it was a Tuesday. Wala, syempre, coming in there, and then, regardless, na kakilala ko si Ate Lai, or, Ate Den wasn't even there yet also. She missed the first few days.
Kasi nag-vacation din sila.
Oh, and then, even with Ate Els there, it was still hard, of course, because majority of the people, syempre, kilala mo lang from the opposite side of the court.
Yeah.
So it was still intimidating. It was Creamline. It was a champion team. We were sister teams, and then when you get there, it was like, oh, I don't know. Parang kang bagong estudyante, di ba? When you move into Ateneo or the first
Okay, I
First
just
day of
want to ask, what was
college.
the energy like when it was your first training in Creamline? Kasi, syempre, we're so used to it. Lagi kaming ganun. So, yung environment namin parang, this is the typical
Syempre
day.
na ano ako, parang na-awkward ako kasi it was the second day. And then everybody, I think some people really just, that was their first day. So everybody was greeting each other. You know when you see each other after a long time and
Yeah.
everybody was screaming. And I was like, oh. But it was nice, obviously, to
Yeah.
see from you guys. But I'm like, oh, I don't know how to act yet. Ganun. And then, yeah, I don't know how the routine goes. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano yung system ng team, how training goes. So it was hard. It was a lot of overthinking. A lot of, di ba you guys, inaasar niyo pa nga ako eh. So hindi ikaw yan, hindi ako nagsalita.
Oo, sobrang tahimik niya. As in, parang hindi ko kilala si Bea. Parang siya na-stun
Eh,
na,
syempre nahihiya din naman ako. Kahit pa paano na, yun nga, close tayo or what. Syempre,
yung iba, yeah, mas madami kasing
mas
hindi
maraming
mo
hindi.
naging teammates. Pero, going back sa sinabi mo, Bea, you mentioned kanina na parang you weren't successful sa Choco Mucho. Pero, I was just wondering, how do you define success ba? Kasi back in college, syempre, feeling ko tumaas yung standard natin ng success kasi we got championships.
Yes, that's very true. I think before I left, I think I would definitely still consider what we did that last run a win for us. So
Yeah.
it wasn't totally unsuccessful.
Yeah.
It's just ultimately your goal is still to win championships, diba? And individually, I wanted to play.
Yeah.
So, syempre, yun nga, siguro kasi with having been blessed with na-bless ako with a championship in college, alam mo na yun yung, if it's not there, parang it still feels short. Diba? So, pagka wala ka dun sa pinakataas na masasabi mo na talo mo lahat, it doesn't feel complete. Of course, you'll celebrate your small wins. Siyempre,
Yeah,
diba?
yeah,
It will
of
really
course.
come with it, especially with what we went through. It was really, we were very, very happy. We were very, very hopeful. And wala, parang at some point naman, masasabi mo din kahit paano breaks of the game rin talaga,
Yeah.
ganon. Pero we weren't totally lopsided, diba?
No, not at all.
So, ayun, I wouldn't say it was a total failure or anything like that. It just, personally, I wanted more. However it may sound.
Yeah.
Diba? Yung goal mo talaga as an athlete.
Yeah. Yeah.
If it's not, we just lost. Diba? You'd say, second kami, okay pa din, di pa rin lahat nakakarating doon. Pero, at the end of the day, parang, sayang, kaya eh.
When you feeling ko reach that point, then you know what it feels like to win and to be there then parang alam mo yung temptation na ayaw mo siyang pakawalan din talaga. So it's always gonna be like tara, work hard.
Yun talaga.
And I
So,
think
dun talaga nakatingin yung mata mo, diba?
yeah, tama, hindi siya naliligaw kahit papaano. Most especially if you're with your teammates na in Creamline na yung I mean, don't get us wrong. We enjoy life. We try to enjoy life. But parang meron lang din talagang switch sa team, di ba? Na kahit papaano, pag training time.
Oh yeah. And that's what I super appreciated rin talaga coming into that culture na it was a very ideal culture for me. So pagpasok mo, di ba, parang everybody's laughing, everybody's happy. Pero pag nag-training, pukpukan, di ba? Parang all out tayo. And you'll still enjoy it.
Yeah.
Kasi kahit papaano, di ba, hindi ka naman, as a captain, you don't say don't laugh, right? That doesn't mean you're not concentrating.
Sige, tomorrow.
Sometimes it means that.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. So she'll catch us. But then, at the end of it, you'll know that everybody's trying. And it feels good. It feels super, super good na everybody like, isang bola and walang scorean yun, di ba? Pero yung isang bola, hindi mo pakakawalan. So it feels fulfilling talaga na makapasok sa ganong culture ulit.
Yeah, very productive. Pero I think one of the things na, ito, kung may biggest adjustment ka din, if meron lang. Kasi you came from, nasa Queen Eagle, as a captain of Ateneo.
That's probably you.
Captain ka din ng Choco Mucho. Siyempre, going back to being, not naman just a player, but syempre nawalan ka ng role na
I don't
team
mind.
captain. So, ano yung biggest adjustment mo pagdating doon? And ano yung mga things na natutunan mo para when you get back to that as a player, ano yung, wag na? Ayaw mo? Hindi
Okay
kasi,
na ako.
voting daw to eh.
Hindi.
Sino daw yung
Pag
next?
umalis ka, alis rin ako.
Ay, grabe! Uy!
Joke lang. No, actually, I didn't mind it. That transition was the easiest part for me. Na pagdating ko sa Creamline, I wasn't captain or anything. I loved it. Because even in Ateneo, my favorite years were always when I was a rookie.
Of course.
Kasi there was so much room for mistake. Not in a, syempre not man total mistakes.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
do you guys get what I mean? I think when
Yeah.
there's much room for mistakes,
Yeah.
the pressure isn't so hard on you. It's not so heavy. Kasi people aren't looking at you to deliver yet. You're a rookie, right?
Yeah.
Same here. A big weight was lifted from me. So much pressure to put the team together, to establish a culture. A lot of that was out of my mind na. Because pumunta na ako sa team na okay na. And with you there. So okay na ako. And when I came in, it was very freeing for me, that part, na wala ako masyadong responsibility except to bring my best on court. That's it. And it felt lighter.
And best middle blocker. There you go.
Thank you.
And I think not all people, actually, it's not. I don't know if this is open to everyone. Na Bea has been like recovering and working double time talaga because ano ba yung kasi meron siya sa tuhod na
Yeah.
ninunurse din niya. Kasi I think genetics ba to?
Yeah,
Or,
genetically, sabi nila.
Oo, sabi nila.
Yung
Sabi ni
patella
Doc.
ko, paano ba yun? Kung wala siya sa gitna, naka-lean siya sa sides, both knees.
Yeah.
So, with the intense training in earlier years, compounded na, syempre.
Yes.
Na yung cartilage ko, numipis. Tapos naging bone to bone talaga siya.
So, hindi nakikita rin kasi ng lahat yung behind the scenes. So, Bea has been working double time just to play and make sure na na-maintain niya yung performance niya.
Which took me a while.
I mean,
not
not an excuse, but I'm just saying na we have to give,
mahirap,
give credit,
mahirap.
yeah.
Even you with your experience and injuries, diba? At there are times
baka
na
maiyak tayo dito.
Kaya nga. There are times na parang sasabihin nila na go easy on yourself, injured ka. Pero in your head, hindi. Diba? Parang iisipin mo lang, ang gusto mong ma-feel is hindi to pwedeng maging excuse sa kahit anong gagawin ko. Kasi dapat kaya ko siya.
Pero nagagawa ko siya before.
Oo.
Diba? So, bakit now?
Bakit ngayon hindi?
No, hindi ako papayag. Ako ba? Ako ba?
So, yun din yung nafe-feel ko. So, even if people were telling me to retire. Really, like, people telling me to stop na, people were telling me na, tanggapin mo na yan na yun. But, part of me was saying na parang, Lord, baka yun naman talaga yung gusto mong sabihin sa akin na. Maybe I should learn how to stop.
So, paano mo inaalagaan din yung sarili mo? Kasi, yun, syempre, before it was being a captain, dami mo rin iniisip, and now, just playing, enjoying it. Do you feel like mas naalagaan mo yung sarili mo as nagkaroon ka ng time to focus on yourself to deal with all the issues in terms of like mga injuries nga
Yeah, I
you've
think
had?
so. Kasi before, it's not a secret what Choco had to go through, right? So hindi ko nakakatulog, ate. Like everything I could try and do, I could try to say. Ultimate, lahat yun, bago ako makatulog, iisipin ko every scenario na hindi nangyayari naman. Like, parang ano bang pwede? So, hindi ako nakakatulog. Until, ngayon, yun nga, na-free ako sa responsibility ko. Ayun, there's a lot of time to recover, a lot of time to think of just myself. Which, I know really sounds selfish. But I think, yun nga, for me to have to thrive and be in a better place, I had to do it.
Alam mo, grabe. Tsaka, now, since I've been with Bea nga for like every single day, nakikita ko na rin how she takes care of her body.
Yeah.
physically, mentally, emotionally, lahat talaga. I think
Tumatanda na kasi tayo.
yeah, yun kasi yung point namin, conscious effort and we have to remind each other. Actually, we don't remind each other. We
Hawahan
influence.
lang, oo.
Yeah, we influence each other.
Yeah,
na
she
parang,
brings kamote now to training. So I bring
So-
kamote now.
So everyone would like
ako
try to
papatan.
eat kamote in the morning, egg, would drink our mga supplements. So kanya-kanya na din talaga, and we actually don't siguro gatekeep all the things that helps help us, di ba? I
For
think that's
sure.
one thing na in a way transition din sa team natin. Kasi to be fair, yung team kasi namin half medyo may borderline yung mga 30 plus and mga 29 and below.
It's legit ganun.
Half. So, it's nice to start a culture like that and to transition also together, I'd say. Most especially, ito ang mga role model.
Kaya
mo,
lalo
diba?
na sana with them, they start young.
Diba?
Because we regret.
Kasi yun yung, yun din yung sinasabi natin, diba?
Sana
If there's
rin yun.
one thing na, sige ikaw, if there's one thing na feeling mo, sana ginawa mo nung mas bata ka na athlete ka, ano yun?
Rehab, maintenance, just Lord.
Go to rehab! Totoo!
Like, yung extra, well, syempre, knowledge now isn't isn't as much as before.
Yeah.
Pero, grabe noon, I remember, pinapagitan ako lagi ng mga, we have a team PT. Pinapagitan ako nila lagi kasi sakit yung tuhod ko. Tapos, nila, okay, do an exercise. Tapos mawawala, tapos di na ako babalik.
And, ang gagawin namin, ang
here we
pipili...
go.
Yes. Here we go. At ang pipiliin namin ay nap.
Yeah.
More
Yeah.
than therapy
Well,
back then.
It was
Well,
hard
it helps,
kasi
twice a day.
twice a day tayo, tapos may class pa.
Yeah.
So, pipiliin mo talaga matulog. So,
Wait.
I blame Coach Tai. Joke!
Half
Joke lang.
meant. Alam mo, now, ang dami ko ng... Si Bay, dami rin talaga sa akin tinuro na mga ibang supplements na dapat kong inumin. Honestly, isa din sa mga dinadagdag ko. I have a friend na very mabait and told me to drink Immuni Plus. And alam mo, honestly, pinapatry ko din to sa inyo pag magkakasama tayo sa
Yeah, she
hotel.
did.
Pag naka-hotel arrest tayo, di ba?
She made me try. That's really good.
Yeah. Tapos, kasi nga nagkakahawaan kami lagi.
Kasi
Kunwari, may mga...
nakaganon kami.
Oo,
I mean, gets ba nila yun? Bubble.
yeah. So, nakabubble lang
Tapos
kami.
yung aircon, lagi kaming kulob.
So, pag may umubo na isa, tuloy-tuloy na yan or may masakit.
Saka na
So, lahat kami iinom namin. Di ba? Ako naman, lagi part na rin talaga siya ng routine ko. And, sabi nga ni Bea kanina, off the record, sabi niya, yung ginger kasi, isa yun sa mga...
Anti-inflammatory.
Yes.
I keep
And,
So, I'm in my health benefits era.
yes. So, nung nakita niya, yung Immuni Plus, meron dito. Tapos sabi niya, oh my God, may ginger. Kailangan natin
Yeah, may
yan.
ginger, may turmeric, and spirulina.
Yes, and we all need that. So, that's why, huwag ka mag-alala. Ano na yan, part na rin ng routine mo, bibigay natin yan.
Yeah.
Thank you, Immuni Plus, no? Yeah, for helping us, recover then, even after long day of practices.
Actually, just before this, kasi naghahanap ako. Sabi ko, meron bang ginger tea na may turmeric? Sabi ko, oh, di ba? Yun naman pala.
Perfect. Everything happens for
Meron
a
naman pala
reason,
dun.
di ba? That's why you're here.
Yeah.
So,
Kasi
thank
nga,
you.
anti-inflammatory daw. So,
Oo.
hoping for the knees.
Yeah, kailangan na namin yan. Bay, you've achieved so many things.
Kinakabahan ko siya sa babe.
No! As a volleyball player, advocate, ano yung pinaka-struggle ng isang Bea De Leon?
Marami. Marami ate. Kasi I think we put a lot of pressure on ourselves. So, pagka wala ka doon sa place na yun, mahirap. So, mentally, you always feel short. You always feel na hindi enough. You always feel na kapos ka, saan ka pa ba nagkulang. So, yun. Dun for the past few years, madalas ako nandun sa mindset na yun na maybe I was never really what I ought to be, or baka hindi naman talaga yun yung para sa akin. All of those things na parang, oh, maybe I just had a good year, then that was that. Diba?
But how do you deal with it? Kasi I think most of our listener, may nakikinig most of our listener would want to know how would like a Bea De Leon actually think and overcome all these hardships?
Ako, not to sound cliche, but I pray a lot. So, those years na nawala ako, those also were the years na hindi ako masyadong in tune with it.
Oh.
Really. Truth yun. So, kasi in college, I had a routine. Every day I would pass by the chapel, regardless if I have something to say or not. Kasi diba may sa Gonzaga,
Yeah.
may maliit na chapel doon.
Yes.
Papunta sa dorm.
Yeah.
Before I nap. So after class, pupunta ako doon and I get to sit there, sometimes 30 minutes, as in nandun lang ako, either nag-phone ako or minsan iiyak ka. Minsan, wala
Yeah.
lang, ano ka.
It's weird talaga, most especially in Jisoo. May iiyak ka lang talaga kahit wala kang
Kasi
problema
ang peaceful niya, ang quiet niya. So
Yeah.
sometimes you need that eh.
when you talk
So,
to him.
parang for me, praying not just to say, Lord, please,
Yeah,
or Lord,
yeah.
thank you. Parang more of quiet time rin to meditate. So, all throughout my college years, I did that.
Yeah.
Every day. Halos wala akong mintes. Kung may mintes, bilang mo sa kamay.
Yeah.
And then, after college, I graduated. Siguro, I found it hard to find that time because I didn't have a chapel to go to.
Mm-mm.
And those were the hardest years. Injuries, pandemic, even me, feeling ko bumababa laro ko, lahat yun. Those were the days na pinagdaanan ko din talaga yun. Yeah, really. And then, up to a point where, I mean, struggle is part of faith, right?
Yes.
So, there was a time when I said, Lord, parang, hindi naman ako masamang tao. Di ba? Pupunta ka na
Yeah,
hindi
yeah.
ka naman masamang tao. Ginagawa ko naman yun dapat. Araw-araw ko naman ginugugol yung mga dapat gawin ko. Pero bakit wala? Di ba? Tapos parang mas nagrebelde ka. May stage pa ako na parang nagrebelde pa ako na, di wag. Kala mo naman may laban ka. But then yun. And then,
When you said rebelde, what did you do?
wala. I just went with the days. Every day is just, okay, go. I just went with
Without
the days.
like purpose,
without
yeah.
pausing, without praying, without reflecting of the things I've done, of the things I have to do, of the things I want to be. Wala. I just went with the days. Talaga.
Yeah.
Until clearly, hindi ko na kinaya. And then, it was hard going back to that.
Mm-mm.
To that faith na siguro kasi syempre our understanding rin of faith is so human
Mm-mm.
na parang minsan iisipin mo na it could be very transactional. Or yung mga little things ngayon
Yeah.
na parang all this time hindi ako nagpray, paano ko masasabing deserve ko na ulit? So yung mga ganong bagay, 'di ba? Pero when you go through it and then unti-unti I went back. When I go to church, I feel ashamed. There was a time nung nagsisimula ako. Kasi feeling ko nga,
Why
'di ba?
not?
Parang bakit ako nandito? Dahil
Yeah.
lang ba may kailangan ako? Dahil lang ba nagsistruggle na ako? So it was hard. It was really, really hard until you get to a point where buti na lang, all of these homilies and these gospels help. And there was one time I went to Faith to worship. What they said was, He does not ration.
Mm-mm.
So, kasi minsan sinasabi ko, mas maraming deserve ng blessing sa akin.
Yeah.
I'm very blessed.
Mm-mm.
I live a very comfortable life. So many people need your help. Bakit ako?
Yeah.
'Di ba? Bakit anong karapatan kong humingi sa And then eventually they said, "Oh, he does not ration." So sabi ko, "Okay, may ano, totoo naman. He is eternal and yung isang help niya sa isang tao, baliwala sa kanya 'yun, 'di ba?" So 'yun, eventually nag-start ako mag-feel and then my tita gave me this book and then I say this prayer every day up to this day. Naging gospel. Sorry guys.
No, it's
But then,
fine.
the first line of that says, Lord, bless me today so that we can continue to spread your territory. And then at first, nahirapan ako kasi sabi ko, literally, I'm asking you to bless me, di ba? Parang ang selfish pa din. When you put it together and say, bless me so that we can continue to spread your territory, it's like you're saying, kung ito yung kailangan ko, Lord, para mapaganda pa natin yung kung ano meron. Kung if I could help it in whatever you want me to be. Kung ito yon, bigay mo sa akin.
Mm-mm.
Because in return, di ba, parang ganun siya. Mas-spread mo siya, mas-spread mo yung word, all
Yeah.
of these things. Your faith will hopefully bring hope to somebody. That yung kapit mo doon, sana kahit isang tao, may mabigyan ka ng hope pa. Na hindi pa to huli, na may answers pa, may bukas pa, na pwede pa. So, ganun, cliche as it sounds, I don't know Obviously, not everybody has the same faith.
Yeah.
But ganun ko siya na-overcome.
Galing. Pero alam mo, you kept on saying about selfish as it sounds, and you're trying to, you always,
Hard eh.
di ba?
Lalo
Pero
na for
why
you,
is it,
captain ka.
why is it so hard for you to choose yourself?
Oh, same goes for you.
I choose myself. You know?
Myself.
You are the guest. You have to ask.
Gusto niyo ba siya?
No. Parang there's always this hesitation when you choose yourself.
Siguro part of it is society. From
Yeah.
ground up, they'll really teach you. Isipin mo naman yung iba, di ba? Or they'll always tell you na pag lumingon ka, ang daming problema sa mundo.
Yeah.
Yung problema mo, katiting lang.
Yeah.
Di ba? So that's what you're taught to think. And while it is still true, di ba? Syempre, kailangan pa rin, at some point, natutunan mo rin, isipin yung sarili mo. Kasi kung hindi ka at your best self, di ba, liwala ka lang.
Tsaka hindi tayo makakapag-share sa ibang tao.
Ganon.
ng mga
So,
bagay.
kung kapos ako sa sarili ko pa lang, paano ako magiging magandang teammate sa'yo?
Alam mo, hindi ka kapos talaga, Bey. Kasi si Bea po ay merong mga scholars. Paano mo siya naisip? Bakit mo naisip na magbigay ng scholarship sa mga younger generation?
It was always a dream for us, the family. So it's not just me. It's just named after me, syempre. Because with Ateneo, with how it happened, it's named after me. But it's really the whole family. I cannot take credit for it. But it's been a dream of the family to finally give back. Because my dad made himself, he's a very
definitely.
self-made
Tito
man.
Elmer, we love you, Tito
Oh,
Elmer.
he's a very self-made man, diba? He used to just, naglalako yun nung bata siya, sabi niya kakanin. Bibili siya sa palengke, ilalako niya sa kung saan sila nakatira. So from the very beginning, he was a very, porsigido talaga siya na tao na mag-succeed. And now that he's there, and he has a lot, it was always a dream of ours na magkaroon ng scholarship talaga. Because we believe in education. My mom always wanted us to go to
Tita
the
Des.
best schools. That was really her dream for all of us. So yun, we believe in the power of education and how it empowers somebody, and it will give you the tools, not just in knowledge, but in the people you might get to know,
Yeah.
and how it might connect you to others. It's really a big tool to
That's true.
success. So, yun, we kept talking about it, but as days go by, mananatili siyang pangarap lang.
Yeah.
Sana may ganda tayo. Until one day, there was a fan who was part of my fan club.
Yes.
No, but then yun, and then she tweeted, and then my dad saw it. And she said, she passed her dream school, which was Ateneo, but she can't afford. So she can't go. But she was, it wasn't, a cry for help. She was
Yes.
just saying, parang, thank you, Lord, na pumasa pa din ako.
Yeah.
Pero, well, sadly, hindi siya
Wow,
makapunta.
ang galing, ah.
Nakita ni Daddy. Kasi when we saw naman and asked her about all of these things, she was a valedictorian, all of these things. Taas grades niya, honor siya sa previous niyang high school. So, we said, pasado naman siya. Wala kang
Yeah.
kailangan pakiusapan. Why not?
Yeah.
So, eventually, nag-reach out kami sa admissions. Admissions and aid. Kung saan tayo lagi nagpapaprint.
Let's go. Para sa free,
Yeah.
yung paprint namin. Thank you, admissions.
Yeah. And then, yun, syempre, more than, when I said now, there's this passer who we want to support, but she can't afford ganyan. Syempre, they're more than happy. As Ateneo, as a school, will be more than happy na, of course, di kami tatanggi sa scholarship. So, that's how it started. And then from there, ngayon our goal is to formalize it. Kasi syempre, you can't give everybody. You can't help the world. But,
May magmamasters ako sa sponsor, scholarship.
hindi mo na kailangan. No. So,
Disqualified pala.
ayun, from there, we have one more in UP Baguio, and she gets to finally transfer to Diliman.
Oh.
Yeah, we're very happy for her. So yun, the goal is to formalize it, to really make it a foundation, somewhat a foundation, para may criteria talaga kami.
Yes.
Syempre, ako personally, ang gusto ko, masusupport ko yung atleta din. Atleta na talagang academically inclined din, na nangangailangan ng tulong, Because, syempre, yun yung alam din natin. Sports will teach you about life. So,
Yes.
yun yung gusto ko din. Pero sana ma-formalize namin na magkaroon kami ng proper scouting. Tama ba yun? Scouting, recruitment policy.
Yes.
Parang ganun. Kasi syempre, a lot of people are reaching out. Pero hindi naman syempre lahat kaya naman
Yes.
namin agad-agad.
That's true.
So, yun. Yun yung dream ko na ma-formalize siya eventually. But yun, we'll start with one. Syempre, hopefully, it grows from there.
Kaya ba yung mga dreams ni Bea? Parang, iniisip ko tuloy yung dreams ko. Parang, katiting lang din talaga. Pero sabi niya nga, it starts from something small, you know.
Yes.
If you're gonna be asked, who is Bea De Leon now? How would you answer that?
I don't know. I never really thought about that. I don't know how to define myself.
If you're like comparing to like previous Bea to like now that you're actually, I mean, seeing the real world.
I don't know. I think I guess I'm less naive. I'm a bit more self-aware. But maybe to answer your question, I'll answer it in a way na if I want to be remembered, I want to be a person who's kind. And
Wait, nag-isipan ko yung kind.
it's
Oo
a mask. Deep down.
Meron naman. Sige, pasado. Go.
Yun, gusto ko lang na maging ganun tao. Na pwede mong matakbuhan pag nangangailangan ka. Pag pwede kang
guys.
maasahan. And yun, ako lalo na sa team na setup, ang goal ko lang before was sana gumaan yung iniisip ng mga iba. So, yun yung sana ma-fulfill
Kailan mo
ko.
iniisip yung sarili mo, Bay? Kasi parang lagi kang
Ito,
iba.
ngayon.
Hindi. Hindi, honestly.
Ikaw, kailan mo iniisip sarili mo? Sige.
Pag natutulog.
Back to you.
No. Hindi, pero honestly, probably I would learn from you also. Kasi sometimes sabi mo nga when you switch teams and siguro yan mga other things na ginagawa mo. Sinabi mo kanina, pinili mo yung sarili mo. So, paano ka dumating sa point na yun? Kasi baka nga matuto ko na sa'yo, Alaysa, piliin mo naman yung sarili mo. Oh, hindi, pinipili ko naman yung sarili ko.
Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung inisip ko noon. Pero very selfish talaga siya ate. Kasi ang sabi ko yung sarili ko, ba't pa ako maglalaro?
Hindi rin ako mananalo.
Hindi naman. Hindi ako mananalo. Kung hindi ko makita yung gusto ko sa sarili ko. Siyempre, ikaw, ako, lahat tayong athlete. May level ka na gustong ma-achieve. 'Di ba? My career started very well in the hands of Ateneo.
Yeah.
Okay. Promising rookie, okay naman. All throughout college, okay naman.
Pero paano mo nalaman na that's the right time? Or there's no right time? Paano mo nalaman na, okay, this is the time na kailangan ko na mag-decide? Kasi now, I think a lot of people are in that
Transition playbook nga naman. Oh.
na andun sila sa point in life na parang,
Where do I go?
where do I go? Ito na ba yung time ko para mag-change ng job or dapat ko na ba tanggapin tong isang dream job ko as compared to like the job that pays me well? Alam mo yon? Paano mo
I don't
yun?
know. For me, there isn't a 1, 2, 3 step
Yeah.
type. But siguro the other side of you will be funny. Did you read The Alchemist? Paulo
Yeah,
Coelho?
pero oo. Pero ang
So
tagal
he
ko na
says
nabasa
that
yun,
when
Bey.
it's not verbatim, but when something is for you, the world will conspire to give it to you. And it will tell you to listen to the world because it talks to you.
Really? But parang di ko narinig si World. World?
Multo na pala. Alaysa.
Yeah, pero yeah, that's very
That's
true.
how I think it comes with reflection, with self-reflection.
Mm-mm.
When you listen to these doors that open for you, that knock on your door.
Yeah.
So
It won't knock if it's not like ready for you.
yeah, and you won't see it if you don't really look. Or if you don't try and be
Listen,
open
no? Yeah, yeah.
to all of the things are happening. Because wala, and God will never go up to you and say, Alaysa, this is what you do next, right? So you really, me personally, it's my personal belief.
Yeah.
I really try. That's why I have to reflect. That's why I like to meditate in my own way. So I can kind of see where the world is taking me. Because my whole career has been a story of dumating siya. I'm very, very blessed, to be completely honest. Extremely blessed. Para siya akong tinadhana.
Yeah.
Because imagine mo, I did not start playing volleyball. When I was a kid, we had the volleyball, and I honestly recall telling myself, I will never be good at this. Kasi hindi ko, pagka ginagawa ko,
Bakit saan siya dumada?
hindi ko alam. Basta, roll off siya. So, sabi ko, parang never to magiging sport ko. Kasi badminton ako nun.
Yeah.
And then, nag-high school ako, may classmate lang went up to me and said, mag-try out ka kasi matangkad ka. Imagine mo, that one thing led to all of these different things. I wasn't supposed to go to Ateneo,
Yeah.
but one thing led to another, napunta ako sa Ateneo.
Yeah.
And my career there would have been totally different if I went somewhere else. Diba? All of these things have led up to me being there.
Galing, no?
Yeah. I'm very, 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 very
If I were
blessed.
to share also, yung nangyari din sa career ko, wala. Parang I never
Hindi
really
mo naman siya intentional na
Yeah.
gusto ko mag-volleyball. Which isn't wrong, ha? Kasi especially now na may nakikita.
Mm-mm.
May nakikita na rin yung mga bata. Tayo kasi wala eh.
That's true.
Wala ako. I grew up with
Walang role models, no?
I grew up with my parents telling me sports is just for extra. Para lang gumanda yung college applications
Yeah.
ko.
Tsaka may extracurricular grades kaya
Yun,
yung pag nagsisports
pag
ka.
ganun lang siya. Practical.
Yeah.
Hindi, I don't blame them for anything. Pero kasi
Yeah.
wala naman talaga.
Grabe, ang galing, no? You
You
really...
reflect on your life and then really look into it
Yeah,
and
you
say, wow, okay.
Actually, I think one thing I've learned from what you've said, you really have to take time and pause to actually process everything. Kasi minsan, nakakalimutan natin na maliliit na bagay would actually...
Galing ko mang bola, no?
Hindi, sobra. Magaling naman bola talaga. Hindi. Si Bey, hindi siya magaling mong bola. Talagang magaling siya.
Ems mo!
Galing ko mang bola. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi totoo yun. Pero yeah, you just have to pause for a while kasi sometimes we keep on comparing ourselves to other people, most especially now on social media, na parang hindi na na-align. Kasi, syempre, dream niya yon. So, yun yung tinatry niya i-reach. So, tayo, baka may sarili tayong dream na hindi natin na kumakatok
Guys,
na pala.
Galit na nun si ate.
Kaya nga eh. Na kumakatok na pala, hindi natin namamalayan kasi we're too focused on other things.
Yeah. So you always have to pause and
Yes.
check.
Reflect.
Sana ba?
Yeah.
Ito na ba yung taong gusto ko maging? Dito ba dapat
Kala ko,
yun?
ito na ba yung tao?
Ito na ba yung tao para sa'yo? Baka kumakatok ate!
Hindi ko pala
Not
pinubuksan.
louder.
Uy, okay. Anyway.
Isipin mo, kung galing kang Batangas ate, kung hindi ka nag-Manila, wala naman nag-Manila sa mga kapatid.
Wala. Even parents.
Kung hindi ka nag-Ateneo, your life would have been totally, totally different.
I don't know why, honestly, those decisions that
So,
you
minsan talaga,
told yourself na
dinala rin
parang,
pala ako dito.
dadaling ka talaga ni Lord. Basta magtiwala ka lang.
Yeah.
Kumapit ka. Because sometimes yung road na dadaanan mo, it's not,
Hirap, Brad.
rough road po, minsan. Ano pa yung gusto mong ma-achieve talaga in life, babe? Honestly.
In life?
Like, as Bea De Leon, as a player, as a anak, as a sister, ano pa yung gusto mo ma-achieve?
Alam ate, siguro ako talaga, pinapipray ko every night is kung saan niya ako dalhin. Sana malaman ko yun para dun ako pinaka makakatulong. Yun talaga yung goal ko na somewhere, somehow, makatulong tayo. Career-wise, marami pa.
By being whole right now, whole mo din na share yung
So,
sarili
hindi ko
mo
alam,
to other
Hindi ko alam kung
people.
saan pa ako dadalhin eh. Kung magtuturo ba ako, kung...
Pagtuturo?
Feeling ko, may possibility. Feeling ko lang ha.
Nang
pa
ano,
tayo-
eh?
Ewan ko. Volleyball. Char.
You wanna be ano ba?
You wanna
A
be-
mentor, a teacher, a coach?
Parang ganun
Kasi
yung
magkakaiba
peg
yun,
ko.
di ba?
Parang nandun yung... Parang
Ay,
gusto
ang
ko siya.
galing.
Pero hindi ko... Wala pa ako dun ha. Hindi ko
Yeah,
pa kaya
yeah,
yung
yeah.
responsibilidad. Pero nandun yung parang puso ko na basta may gusto akong siguro nga ma-mentor or ma-coach or
Wow.
maybe there, pero don't quote me 15 years from now. It could be totally different. Pero
The power of words, babe.
oo, pero syempre ako actually dati, ang feeling ko nun was siguro for a while magbe-break ako from volleyball, maging negosyo din ako. Kahit pa paano kailangan natin mabuhay.
Yes.
Tapos feeling ko eventually magko-coach ako.
Interesting.
Feeling ko lang ha. Syempre, could be
Well, you can be a coach or a mentor in so many ways.
Kasi
Diba?
sobrang lapit sa puso sa akin ng sport eh. With you, syempre, di ba? Parang yung competitiveness ngayon na nakukuha mo dito. Pag tinanggal mo siya sa life
Oh
mo,
my gosh.
parang hindi mo ma-imagine,
Yeah.
diba?
As of now, if we talk about it, di ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko.
Hindi mo siya parang
Parang iba.
makita pa. So, definitely, for sure, both of us might go here
Yes,
first.
yes. Interesting to hear that you want to mentor. Kasi,
I think, ha?
pero okay, last na talaga. Pero bakit mo naisip yung mentorship or coaching?
Kasi natutuwa ako pag may nakikita akong mag-succeed. So, even in little things, like, nung captain ako, or kahit nung senior ako, or kahit up to now, pagka may nasabi lang ako, kunyari, sa, like, let's say, sa middle, ko, uy, gawin mo to, I think it'll help. Natutuwa ako pag nagagawa nila, tapos, nag-i-improve talaga sila. Super, super. As in,
Fulfilling din.
natutuwa ako na nagagawa nila, na all this time, alam kong kaya nila, tapos, konting ano lang pala, konting tweak lang pala yung kailangan para ma-reach niya yung kung ano ka talaga
Full
kaya.
potential niya.
Oo. So,
Wow.
natutuwa ako sa ganun, pag nakakakita ako ng taong nagsasucceed.
Okay. Dahil dyan, Coach Bea,
At dahil dyan, matulog ka na,
we have a segment here that's called Don't Tell a Lie.
Guys,
You wonder
alam mo,
why?
gusto nyo ng truth serum, tumingin kayo sa mata ni Ate Lai.
Nang what? Ay, oo.
Ng truth serum.
Bakit?
Wala
Hindi.
naman nakakapagsinungaling sa harap mo.
Ooh. Grabe, hindi naman. Hindi ko sure mamaya sa mga ano. Okay, don't tell a lie. Coach Bea. Coach Bea, what's one misconception about you?
Ano ba? Kasi totoo, mayabang naman ako. Hindi na kaya tayo yabang.
Oo. Totoo naman. I mean, like, may kanya-kanyang types.
Siguro na masungit ako. Ang dami nagsasabi na pag, di ba?
Hindi ko alam na yun yung ano, sinasabi sa'yo.
Nung nasa Choco ako, a lot of, parang I would ask them, kung, syempre, di ba, chikahan, anong first
Yeah.
impression nyo, ganyan-ganyan.
Yeah.
Kala nila maldita ako. I'm not.
Well, I can attest to that though. Hindi
Yun.
siya maldita ever since. Ano siya? I'm so sorry for the word.
Cool.
Para siyang politiko talaga.
Eh.
Grabe siya. As in, she knows how to read the room. She knows how to lighten up the conversation, everything. Marunong siyang makisama. Yun si Bea. So, hindi siya talaga masungit at all.
Pero may ganun pala. Like, yung
Hindi ko
ibang UAAP players nga daw. Syempre, siguro pag nakakalaban nila ako, sigaw naman ako, di ba? Gets ko naman.
Oo, lagi. Pero alam mo, honestly, hindi ko napansin kay Bea nung back in college na masigaw ka. Hindi ko talaga maalala na sumisigaw kapag nakaka-point ka.
Hindi ako sumisigaw.
Lagi
pero,
lang kasi siyang naggaganon.
Oo, yun. Diba?
So, hindi ko maalala
Syempre,
na sumisigaw
pag hindi mo ko
siya.
teammate, diba, nakakapikon, nagigets ko naman.
I wouldn't know. Kasi syempre, naging teammate muna kita bago kita
True,
hindi naging
true,
teammate.
true,
So,
true,
kahit
true.
anong gawin mo, parang I don't have
Siya na yan.
anything,
Oo, so, ganun.
against you. Masungit pala ang ano sa'yo.
Malditahin daw ako.
Maldita pala.
So, siguro yung, ewan ko, yung mukha ko, ayun.
Di, tsaka pag naglalakad talaga siya, ano yan?
Yun, Bargas.
Nakaganito.
Kasi,
Kahit may nakikita siya dire-diretso siya. Parang babanggain niya kayo. Ganun yung feeling. Actually, more than na masungit, I think, intimidating ka talaga, Bey. I think you have that aura na parang nakaka-intimidate ka, kaya nagiging masungit ka.
siguro.
Na parang it's just so hard to approach you because you have that aura. Pero you can approach her
But you know,
anytime.
my mom taught me that.
What?
Na sometimes you have to be intimidating when you come into a room so that you know how to command the room. Yeah. Because she's a woman in corporate,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
So she can't be.
Yeah.
So
That's nice.
I think that's
one
one
thing
of
we
the
learned.
reasons
Something,
why.
yeah. Take note of that, girls who run the world.
Yeah.
Girls. Okay, don't tell a lie. What do you think is the biggest unwritten rule in pro volleyball that no one talks about?
Huwag kang umamit. Kaso may challenge na ngayon eh.
Oh, that's true.
Amin naman nun, di ba? Totoo lang
But
to,
now,
ah.
kasi may challenge na. So, ano na yung bago nating unwritten rule? I'd say...
Huwag ka pa rin umamin. Baka hindi makita. Joke lang.
Nakikita yun.
Umaasa ka pa rin, no? Pero gumagano.
Ganyan kami, pag nag-challenge, kunwari tumama sa mga parts na, ano pa kami baka wala yung camera doon. Pag mga
A point is a point.
floor touch, pero unwritten rule.
Well, kung sa mas matinong sagot, always attempt. Big rule yun ni Ate Lai.
Big rule ko yun. Ako pa rin may rule nun.
Totoo naman.
Hindi, si Coach Tay yun.
Doon mo natutunan.
Oo.
Hey, hey, hey. May saying kami sa team, pag hindi hey, hey ka na, magtinu ka na.
Hindi, I think one of the unwritten rules then would be, mas pet peeve siguro. Yung mga small balls.
She always says that.
Yeah, always.
Yeah, she hates it yung nagkakatinginan tapos hindi makukuha. Hindi mo mapinta yung mukha niya.
Oo. As in yung, lagi natin sinasabi, magkabanggaan na tayo kesa sa malaglag yung bola. Parang yun yung isa sa mga things na,
She hates it.
wow
You really do, but it helps ha. It's good.
Okay.
Always there to say, hey, hey, hey.
Hey.
Suki ako nun, guys, kasi ang dalas ko tumawa sa training.
Hindi naman. Grabe ka.
Hindi, actually, ang suki si Toti. Sila ni Ate Els.
Oo. Pag nagdadaldalan sila.
Katabi pa naman niya mag-warm up.
Kasi hindi rin kasi sila tumitigil.
Hindi makikita mo yung mukha niya. Nakita mo.
Nakaganito na ako. Alam niyo nila, first warning. Titingin ako sa kanila.
Imagine mo, di ba? 5:30 ng umaga. Gagana na siya.
First warning yan.
May side eye lang siya.
Tapos mga second warning, else or kaya thoughts, sasabihin ko yung name nila.
Hey.
Pag hindi pa, hey. Ganun pala ako. Oo nga, tama. Sila lang yung nagre-remind, nagsasabi sa akin yan. Pero hindi ko na maalala.
Instinct mo kasi siguro, ate.
Nasanay na rin talaga.
Tapos pagka nag-gano na siya, kunyari, nagka-counteract kami, tapos gano'n siya, wala na nagsasalita.
Seryoso na silang lahat. Actually, okay, may question ako. Takot ba kayo sa akin?
Hindi. Pero hindi kami takot sa'yo, pero respeto ka namin.
Pero pag nag-iihi ako, anong nafe-feel? Alam mo, natatawa na nga sila deep inside. Pero feeling ko,
Hindi.
at that moment,
At that moment,
kasi
magaganon
minsan
ka.
lang naman.
Pero hindi ka para yung, ako sa totoo lang, ako nagpapanik pa ako kasi syempre rookie na talaga ako. Yun talaga yung ano ko pa rin, parang ever since, kahit ngayon halos, magka-vibes na
Yeah.
or tumanda na rin tayo. Ako, to me, rookie mo pa rin ako. So, pagka ganon, there's a bit of fear.
Don't tell a lie. Beatrice Isabel
She calls me Beatrice.
de Leon. What's your biggest heartbreak?
The first thing that went in my head, ate, naku, biggest was Choco. Sakit siya. Promise. I'm happy to be in Creamline now, obviously. But I think if you put yourself...
Bakit parang nagka-crack yung voice mo dyan?
No, wag. Pero if you put yourself in my situation, parang it was very, very hard. Heartbreaking talaga na I felt the need to leave or I felt na hindi namin makuha yung gusto namin ma-achieve. Masakit talaga na umalis ako without without winning a championship. Masakit when masakit talaga siya. Yun lang sabi ko. Hard. Na parang yung feeling mo na parang binigay sa'yo to tapos hindi mo nagawa yung dapat. Sakit siya. Tapos wala. Siyempre ngayon, I wouldn't change my decision. Pero ngayon na and I think when ma-achieve nila yun, I'll be very, very happy for them, the management, the whole team. Pero yung part na parang nagawa na nila yun. Kasi umalis din ako nun ate kasi feeling ko hindi na ako yung taong kailangan nila. So I think they needed somebody different. Somebody more,
A change.
yeah, a change. So I think the culture that I wanted to set wasn't fit. So I felt like I also was, in a sense, doing them a favor. That they didn't have to work around me or anything like that. So yun, parang when I will see them achieve what they ought to achieve. Syempre may part din na parang sobrang happy ko sila, pero may part na, oh, diba? Pero okay naman ako.
Yes, and with every heartbreak, we get to learn
Yes.
and move forward.
Pero sorry Sir Jonathan.
Iba yung araw na yun, yung conversation na yun. Yeah. Honestly, just to share, we've talked about this also back when we had our first trip with sila Bea. Kasi, yeah, second trip na pala
Sa Korea.
sa Korea. And I think that was the first time na I felt na sobrang hurt din talaga si Bea because of what happened. So, it wasn't really easy for her to move and switch teams, but I think she just really had to do it
Choose myself.
for, not just for her benefit, but
Yeah.
I mean for the good
All
of
of the
all.
people there,
Yeah.
lahat ng iniwan kong teammate ko doon. Syempre, at some point, pinangakuan mo, pinaasa mo, sinubukan mo talagang dalin doon. Kasi pareho tayo, we both have the definition of leadership. So parang ako, ang leader is more tayo sa side na, there's two kinds, diba?
Mm-mm.
One that will stay in front and mangunguna.
Yeah.
One will stay at the back and make sure na madadala mo lahat.
Yeah.
Me and you both are both on that other end.
Yeah.
So, yung feeling ko na hindi ko sila nadala doon. Of course, it's not just my job. Of
Yeah.
course, diba? Hindi ko naman sinasali yun. Pero,
Yeah.
yun, yung part na lahat ng teammates ko doon na parang naging pamilya ko doon. Like in Creamline, diba? They're very close to my heart. So, yung fact na inalisan ko sila. Hard. Parang sigurong hindi ko maahambing sa nanay kasi hindi man ako naging nanay doon ng Hot Feels. Pero, ikaw ate, kunyari, sabihin mo, iwan mo yung Creamline.
Hindi ko maisip, babe.
Diba? So,
Kutlig naman.
coming into Choco, hindi ko naman inisip na
Yeah.
ito yung
Dadating sa point na
mafe-feel
yan.
kong kailangan kong gawin.
Ay, bakit naman ang bigat nung last? We're wrapping up this episode with Transitions Together, powered by ImmuniPlus. Change is part of every journey. Routines shift, relationships evolve, and the future can feel uncertain. That's why we come together here to ask real questions, share honest moments, and support each other through life's transitions. This isn't just my story, it's ours. And with ImmuniPlus by our side, we can move forward together, feeling relieved, refreshed, and recovered no matter what comes next. So, send us your questions. We're in the season of change together. So, in this season 2 of the Transition Playbook,
Oh, season 2 natin.
yes, season 2 na. Yay! Powered by ImmuniPlus. Thank you so much, ImmuniPlus. Syempre, sabi natin, change is part of every journey and iba-iba yung mga changes na nangyayari sa buhay natin. And sabi din namin sa podcast namin, it's never my story in the podcast. It's always,
Are you sure? I think the fans want your story.
it is your story, our guest stories, and your stories. Kaya sabi namin, nag-ask kami to send in their questions. And yung mga realizations nila and life lessons nila. And baka para may chance din na mabasa natin and matuto tayo sa kanila. So ito yung napili natin for today's episode. How do you move forward after realizing that the life you're currently living, the one you've always dreamed of and worked hard for, isn't beneficial or working out anymore? Baka one of the small goals mo lang yun. Hindi pala yun talaga yung
Totoo. Yun.
biggest
Oh,
dream
sabi
mo.
sa inyo eh. Oh, diba?
Kasi baka stepping stone mo lang yun to actually reach for your purpose in life.
True, the saying is, when one door closes, others open.
And probably it's not just about, syempre, you feel like parang it's not working anymore or hindi na siya beneficial. But baka nakuha mo na lang lahat talaga ng lessons na pwede mo makuha.
So it's really time.
Yeah, it's really time to move forward in a way. Paano nga daw mag-move forward? How
So
do you move
siguro,
forward?
In a way, you have to change your minds. Kasi baka rin yung feeling mo nun is comfort zone mo na rin yun.
Yes.
So, pwede rin ganun. And then from there, kailangan mo na medyo to move out, to grow.
Yeah.
And I think for me kasi, the only point in looking back is to make sure that you've learned your lesson.
Mm-mm.
No point in looking back and regretting what is.
Exactly. That's
So,
true.
you know, whoever you are, just look forward. And when you look back, just look at the things that you were able to do and what it has taught you. And then slowly, day by day, you'll see na pag nandyan ka na dun sa change mo, para sa'yo rin pala talaga yun.
Surround yourself with like good people, really
Yes.
good people with the
Totoo.
support system that you feel like would help you.
Environment is a big factor.
That's true.
Life will move.
Easier said than
Forward.
done, but
Yeah.
you have to take that first step
Mhm.
every single time. And
Keep moving forward.
yes, one foot at a time. On literally.
Si Keep Moving Forward, si Meet the Robinsons. yun.
Yeah.
One of my favorites.
So, yeah, I guess you just have to trust. Sabi nga ni Bea, have faith. Yun
Kung
din.
ano man, whoever your God is.
Yes. Have faith and just trust the process and you'll get there. Kung ano man ang nilagay mong finish line sa'yo, dadating at dadating ka dun with the right people behind, right beside you, in front of you. Again, thank you so much, Beatrice. And
Yun na yung
grabe.
question, is lang yun?
Yeah. Gusto mo ba?
Hindi, gusto ko tatanungin eh.
Ano tatanong mo sa? Ay, alam mo, hate ko talaga yung mga guests. Gusto lagi nila magtanong sa akin. Bakit ba?
Hindi, gusto lang, curious lang rin ako.
About
talaga,
what?
ate. Sa stature mo ngayon, sa lahat ng achievement,
Wow.
ano ang feel mo, biggest achievement mo?
Oh, interesting. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. I don't feel any pressure right now.
Siguro achievement ko yung kaya kong mabore. Gets mo ba? Parang kaya kong mag-pause. Yun yung isa sa mga
Ang
achievements.
humble nun,
Hindi. Kaya yun talaga.
Apaka-humble.
Okay. Ano ang achievement? Ano ang achievement ko?
Kaya mo bored? Achievement, bored ako. Saya maging bored araw-araw,
Oy,
diba?
alam mo, not all has that. Oy, totoo. I read this book. Sabi niya, if you're bored, you are blessed. I mean, if you have time to get bored, kasi not all have
Oo.
that, parang,
Totoo yun. Totoo
diba,
yun.
time to get bored. Siguro, I would say, yung, camp talaga. I'm able to teach kids. I mean, actually, I don't teach. I don't know how to teach, but I am able to share my knowledge.
You don't think you're
and-
gonna be a good coach?
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna be a good coach.
What do
I
you
am
mean?
not. I'm calling it right now.
Why not?
I'm calling it right now.
Tandem tayo.
No!
Assistant ako.
I'm too hard on myself and pag hindi ko yun dinetouch sa sarili ko and I'll be a coach, parang I don't want players to feel kung ano yung nafe-feel ng sarili ko as an athlete. You get me?
Ano ba na-feel mo? Yung pressure?
Hindi,
Mhm.
na I keep on pushing myself and people around me would always say na relax lang. Hindi natin alam.
I haven't told you to relax.
So, ikaw?
When did I tell you to relax?
Yeah, wala.
I always
One of the
tell
few
you,
people.
Go.
Yeah, one of the few people. But yeah, I don't like yung fact na yun na may ganyan akong. But anyway, if you were to ask me one of my biggest achievements, it would be siguro yun. I'm able to actually share my knowledge to the kids with the help of our good friends, our bosses.
So yun yung magiging legacy mo?
Sana magka-school ako. Yun talaga yung dream ko.
Diba? As in, parang
sports school.
LeBron James
As
Academy.
in, Rafael,
The
the
Dreams
dream.
School, ganun.
Yeah.
Rafa Nadal Academy,
Rafa
ganun.
Nadal, yes.
Oh.
Dream, yun talaga yun.
Nice.
So right now, kaya tayo nagpo-podcast
Sport
para
kita,
marinig
ate.
yun.
Bigyan kitang scholar. Sakto. Oh, di ba?
Ikaw magbayad ng tama.
Iba
Sige.
lang, huwag naman lahat.
Oo, sige. Pwede. So, abangan niyo po ang aming next partnership ni Beatrice Isabel de Leon.
Baliktad.
Isabel Beatrice de Leon. Ang magkakaroon kami ng sports school.
Sana, oo.
Hopefully. So, pagpe-pray ko yan, yun yung natutunan ko in today's episode. Just believe, pray, and have faith. Amen. Thank you
Amen.
so much, Bea. Thank
Thanks, Ate
you.
Nag.
Yay!